Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign in to your MyBlock account. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, open a web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in hrblock.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page for HNR or MyBlock. Now go to the top right hand corner and click on the sign in button. In the sign in area, you can enter a username created for your account, email address, or the mobile phone. After entering any one of the credentials, click continue. It'll then take you to a new page where you'll need to enter your password. Go ahead and enter your correct password that you created while signing up for HRBlock. Once you are done, click on sign in. You can also sign in using one-time security code option. Simply go ahead and click on this email my primary address option over here at the bottom, and you'll receive a verification code sent to your registered email. Type in the verification code and you will be able to log into your HRBlock account or MyBlock account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.